Yo, what's up, bro? Fans, Gamer TV, and I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna make this shit real quick. Earlier today, it was our fourth grade graduation at our school, so yeah, congratulations to myself and Galaxy Gamer GX, Jake Nation, YouTube, people like that. Who else? So my gift for my graduation is like fidget spinners. Like my dad ordered me a UFO, a rainbow, and the crystal LED fidget spinner, and yeah, those LED and UFO is gonna come next week. The rainbow is from a further place, so yeah, she's gonna come. It's gonna come next month in July 10th. Yeah, that video, I think it was called Too Much. Too much fidget spinner, I think. Right now, I have 6, but I'm gonna get 3 more. So sorry, I'm hiccuping. So I'm gonna get 3 more, and that's 9 in total. But yeah, for a plus, Sophie showed me the art of these for a nice turquoise blue. So yeah, peace out, guys. Bye.